you are new, welcome to the channel. So today, as you guys can see, I have on my uniform shirt. I am working today, so I'm gonna let you guys come along with me. So let me get you guys caught up since y'all just got in the car. Excuse my hair, I was supposed to wash my hair today, but yes, today was supposed to be the day I washed my hair. So I had an order for tomorrow. This order was originally supposed to be for tomorrow, but it needed to be rushed. So I'm out this morning. I had to throw her on. This is my in-between hair. I just left Aldi's. If you guys don't know, I had just started a charcuterie business, and so that's what I do. I do charcuteries and more, which are the more would be salads. I do parfaits. I do brunch boxes. So I just left Aldi's. Now I have to run to Publix because they have some pecans that I want to get out of there. And so, oh wait, I'm going the wrong way. Oh God, okay. Not gonna get in no accident. So I am gonna run to Publix, and then I am going to go home so that I can prep this order so I can get it out as soon as possible. It was supposed to be delivered tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock, but she needed it expedited. So I am up this morning. Normally when I do my orders, I like to have a day where I shop and prep, meaning, cut the cheese, roll up the meats, and do all of that stuff. I wanted to, tomorrow morning, just box it up and get it out. So I actually wanted to start the vlog from the moment I got up to get the girls out so you guys can see a day in the life of, when I'm in mom mode and I'm working. But that didn't work, you guys. I was running late. Yeah, I couldn't decide what I wanted to wear because I knew it was going to be raining today. So I was like, I want to wear jeans. But I didn't know what to wear. Then we ended up being late, rushing to the bus. And I had to make sure I had everything ready to go, had myself completely dressed, because I knew once I got out, I wanted to go straight to the store, get my ingredients, and I wasn't going to be able to come home and I'll finish getting dressed. That's not going to happen. I said that on Valentine's Day, and I didn't. I think the only thing I probably put on for Valentine's Day was a little powder, if that. So, yeah, but I did have my clothes and my hair done. But makeup and all that, I have to make sure I have that done before. But anyways, got out, got Bella to the bus just in time. Once we got there, the bus pulled up a minute after, dropped Skylar off, went to Walmart. Then I forgot Aldi's didn't open until 8:30. So I was just taking my time in Walmart to kill time because I did not want to go home and then have to come back. I did not want to do that. So by the time I finished, Aldi's was open. So I went over to Aldi's to get the ingredients for everything I need for my board. Now I am headed to Publix to pick up some nuts that I like. So yeah, if you are a business owner and a mom, let me know some tips or some things that you do to help yourself, to make it easier and make it lighter on yourself. I will say, for me, one thing that I have decided is that I'm going to have grace with myself. I'm going to have grace with myself. I'm going to go at my own pace. I'm not going to be in a hustle grind. No, grace over grind. I saw that, and that has been my thing, and slow and steady wins the race. I'm going at my own pace. Not, lollygagging. I'm doing as much as I could do, but I don't want to overexert myself that I don't have time and I'm not available for my husband or my girls, or to burn out. Because year before last, the very first year that I started, this month will make 3 years. But slow and steady wins the race. I gotta go at my own pace. So if you are, even if you're not a mom, I understand if you don't have, you're not married and you don't have children yet, then yeah, you could probably go hard. You go. But listen, I have other responsibilities and I want to be available for my kids, which is why I decided to stay home. So I want to be available for my kids. Now they are older, so I can do more. I apologize for the sun, you guys, but I do get consistent work as long as I'm being consistent, because that's my thing. I just want to be consistent, because if I'm consistent, then I can move. There'll be movement, there'll be growth in what I'm doing. I will I grow. And so so that's that. But I'm gonna go because I don't want to ramble anymore. But let me know, like, what do you guys do to make things easier for yourselves as a business owner? Even if you're not a mom, you're an entrepreneur, maybe you have a full-time job and you're trying to run a business. What are some things that you do that make it easier on you? Okay, so I just made it to Publix. Now I'm gonna run in here real quick and I will be back. All right, you guys, so I'm in Publix, and this right here, this is one of my favorite cheeses. That is so good. And they have the Charcuterie, which is also good if you like a good spice. Oh, those are good. Oh, Nola. This is good. That's good. Oh yeah. Oh, what's this? Oh, I want to try that. Oh, Havarti is another one of my favorites, especially the dill Havarti. My favorite. Yes. So, yeah. Goat, of course. Alright, let's get what we need to get out of here. I am back home from everywhere. I'm about to start my boxes. Yes, I took my wig off. I put my turban on because that hair is so big, and I'm afraid I might get hair in the boxes. So, and I don't have a hairnet, so I put my turban on. I'm gonna just throw that bad boy back on when I'm done. These are the pecans. I ended up going with the cinnamon because the honey ones, they were too broken and crumbled. So I didn't want to do that. Now I am going to, for my snack boxes, I normally put nuts in there in a little cup, but I'm not gonna fill them up. Let me show you guys the box. So these are the boxes that I got. Remember, I told you my original boxes are not coming in until this evening. So my original boxes are white, but this is a cute little black and white polka dot. If you guys know or don't know, my business colors, not business colors, they're black and white. My brand colors are black and white. So I thought these were really cute because they are for college girls. It's a cute gift from someone out of state. You guys, my second out of state customer order. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill those up. So I like to use these cups here. I use these for my parfait and for the nuts. I think these are, I feel like I have some a little bit smaller for my nuts, but it's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and use it today. So, and by the way, this is not gonna be an in-depth video. You guys are just hanging out with me while I am working. So, see, the cup will go in the corner like that with the nuts, and it helps to add a little weight, and it fills the box a little bit. Now, I'm not filling this whole cup up with nuts now. Not that whole cup. I feel like these are not, I haven't made these boxes in about a year. But these are my #1 sellers. Like these and my parfaits, I sell out all the time. All right, so I found these cute little measuring cups from TJ Maxx. These are the nuts. This is a ½ a cup, and I think a ½ a cup might be good. See, it's pretty full, so I'll just use ½ a cup. Okay. And I think that's enough. That's actually a little more, but a little more than enough, but that's good. All right, so the pecans are done. I did about ½ a cup for each box. And so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut up the cheese. All right, so I really hope you guys could see. I am going to go ahead and cut this up. This is pepper jack. Pepper jack is a very, it's popular, and I feel like it's neutral. Pepper jack, Monterey jack, Colby, cheddar, of course. I feel like those are neutral cheeses. Everyone likes those, and most of my customers really like the pepper jack. So I'm gonna just cut it in long rectangles like so. Now my cuts are not always the most evenest cuts. I want to get one of the cheese cutters, the thing that looks like a string, but it's a sharp piece of metal to cut your cheese with, and then you'll get even slices. But I'm gonna figure out ways as I go, as I grow. I'll figure out, you know, ways to make it easier for myself. And as you can see, like, this piece is really thick, but then this piece is a little bit thinner, but it's okay. So I will put like a thick piece and then a smaller piece, and you can just put them in a fan. You can stack them up like that, however. But for the boxes, it's pretty simple. So even if you're doing this at home for yourself, you could definitely, you could do this. Like, this is simple. It's nothing fancy, no fancy cuts, none of that. So yeah, y'all, these gloves are aggravating me. These gloves, these are the cafeteria gloves with the cafeteria ladies. Yeah, so I'm gonna finish cutting the cheese up and I'll be back because these gloves are bothering me. All right. Okay, so look, I forgot you guys were here with me. So this is pretty much, I pretty much did, hold on, let me show you. Okay, so I pretty much did all the cheese and the meats. These gloves, oh, Lord, I can't wait till my order comes in. All right, y'all, so I just washed all of the things that I don't need anymore. The knives, cutting boards, all that stuff. I don't need it anymore because now I am just going to assemble the boxes. I am going to do that and you guys can watch me. If you guys want to see what the after looks like or what I'm up to with the business and things that I am creating, you guys make sure you're following me on Instagram at JAW_charcuterie, Charcuterie. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All right, you guys, this is the final look. I'm gonna go ahead and box these up and clean up that little piece of cheese right there. But this is the final look. So I'm gonna box these that I have done. That's the black one. All right, so okay, like I said, it's twine shed. So let's just not make this difficult and just tie this bow on here. Cause, okay. There we go. There we go. Now, cute, right? All right, you guys, so before I go, I just wanted to share with you this chocolate board that I made. It is so, well, it's a sweets board because it has chocolate and fruit, and I like it so much. Yes, just some goodies. So, it's so nice. Look at the colors, look at the textures. All right, y'all, I gotta go. Before I head out, this is my uniform for today. My uniform shirt that says Jaw, just add wine. My aunt made this for me. I got these slacks that are my favorite slacks. I got them from Ross, and I got on some kind of walking or running Nikes. I don't know. But very simple brand colors, always black and white. So, all right, you guys, I'm gonna go. Bye. Oh, this thing right here. Girl, you okay? You guys okay? Ooh. Oh, y'all hit y'all head hard. But anyways, I am done. Orders are complete. Thank you guys for watching this video. This might be the end because I don't have anything else. I know it wasn't probably the most, but that was just a sneak peek of my day. I didn't have a busy day for orders, but I am going to go home and start creating some spring stuff. Oh, wait a minute. I hate when I had that white stuff. Why y'all didn't tell me? I hate that. Let's cut it too. It's 2:11, so I'm stopping by Chick-fil-A. I'm going to get myself some lunch, and then I'm going to go pick up my baby girl, because by the time I get back on my side of town, she'll be getting out of school. So all right, you guys, thank you again. If you did like this piece of content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to follow my journey, I am just really documenting my journey of faith, because it's going to take faith in this walk of becoming a business owner, from just a domestic CEO to being a business owner and doing both, doing all the things. So thank you guys again, and I will talk to you later. Bye.